In 2026, people won't get rich by working harder. They'll get rich by working smarter with AI. Right now, AI is creating millionaires, and at the same time, it's silently replacing people who ignore it. The scary part? You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need a degree. You don't even need money to start, but you do need the right AI skills. In this video, I'll break down 7 powerful AI skills that can realistically make you rich in 2026. Skills you can start learning today. If you're serious about money, freedom, and future-proof skills, this video could change everything. Welcome to AI Wealth Pulse. Before we start, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, because we drop AI money strategies every single week. Let's begin. Skill number 1, prompt engineering, the new English. The first and most important AI skill is prompt engineering. This is not coding. This is knowing how to talk to AI the right way. Most people type lazy prompts like, "Make me money." Smart people give clear, structured instructions like, "Act as a marketing expert, create a high-converting sales page for a digital product targeting." Same AI, very different results. In 2026, the people who earn the most won't be the smartest. They'll be the ones who know how to ask the best questions. Or how this makes money. Freelance prompt writing, AI consulting for businesses, selling prompt packs, automating entire businesses with smart prompts. If you master this one skill, you already have an unfair advantage. Skill number 2, AI automation, make money while you sleep. The rich don't trade time for money, they build systems. AI automation means using tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Make, AutoGPT-style agents to run tasks automatically. Imagine this: AI replies to emails, AI generates content, AI schedules posts, AI handles customer support. While you sleep, money moves. Or how this makes money. Build automation for small businesses. Charge monthly retainers. Create AI-powered agencies. Run faceless online businesses. In 2026, if your income isn't automated, you're working too hard. Skill number 3, AI content creation. Attention, buy money. Attention is the new currency. AI can help you create YouTube videos, TikTok scripts, blogs, ads, social media posts, entire brands. But here's the truth. AI doesn't replace creators. It replaces slow creators. If you combine AI with creativity, you can produce 10x more content than everyone else. Or how this makes money. YouTube automation channels, content agencies, personal brands, affiliate marketing, selling digital products. That's exactly why channels like AI Wealth Pulse are exploding. Skill number 4, AI plus data skills, decisions that print money. In 2026, businesses don't guess. They use data plus AI. If you know how to analyze trends, read AI-generated insights, optimize ads, predict customer behavior, you become extremely valuable. You don't need to be a data scientist. You just need to understand what the data is telling you. How this makes money. Business consulting, marketing optimization, crypto and stock analysis, e-commerce scaling. Data tells you where the money is hiding. Skill number 5, AI design and video. No talent needed. You no longer need to be a designer or editor. AI tools can now create logos, thumbnails, ads, reels, short videos, product mock-ups. If you know how to direct AI visually, you can sell high-value creative services. How this makes money. Freelance design, YouTube thumbnails, short-form video agencies, branding services. People pay for results, not effort. Skill number 6, AI business strategy. Think like a CEO. This is where real money is made. AI business strategy means knowing which AI tools to use, when to use them, how to combine them, how to solve real problems. Anyone can use AI. Very few know how to turn it into a business model. How this makes money. AI consulting, startup ideas, SaaS concepts, high-ticket coaching. If you can think like a CEO with AI, money follows. Skill number 7, adaptability and speed, the ultimate skill. This is the skill that multiplies all others. AI changes fast. What works today may be outdated in 6 months. The people who get rich are fast learners, curious minds, action takers, not perfectionists, not overthinkers. Speed beats talent. Adaptability beats experience. If you move fast with AI, you stay ahead forever. Let me be very clear with you. AI is not the future. AI is now, in 2026. There will be 2 types of people. Those who use AI to build wealth. Those who complain that AI took their jobs. Choose wisely. You don't need all 7 skills today. Start with 1, master it, monetize it, then stack the next. That's how wealth is built. If this video helped you even a little, like this video, subscribe to AI Wealth Pulse, turn on the notification bell, because on this channel, we don't chase money. We build AI-powered wealth. See you in the next video.